Everybody, my name is Alec Childers. I'm a local realtor here with Home Realty based out of Williamson County. Today I'm joined with Sean Daly, a highly successful mortgage lender based in Marion. Sean, how are you doing today?
Good, how about you, Alec?
Doing all right, ready to bring some information to the buyers in Marion. Let's start it off. How long does it take for someone to go through the approval process and get a pre-approval?
Alec, it kind of really depends on the borrower. Somebody that's a simple W-2 employee that's been at the job for a couple of years, usually, I can pull a credit report, get their income documents, and get a pre-approval out within a couple hours. Somebody else might be self-employed, so I need to get tax returns, maybe do a little bit more digging. It could be as quick as an hour or two to maybe a day or two, depending on the borrower.
Now, we touched on this one a little bit with the first question, but maybe you can reiterate. What documentation should a buyer have ready whenever they want to come talk to you to see about the pre-approval process?
W-2 employee that's not self-employed. Typically, we want the last 2 years W-2s, last 30 days of pay stubs, last 2 months bank statements, and then like a driver's license and photo ID.
What's the first step someone should take if they're thinking about buying a home?
Well, most people, Alec, as you know, will usually contact a realtor first. They see a home online, maybe it catches their interest, and they call a realtor right away. And the realtor turns around and says, "Are you pre-approved?" And if they're not, that's where I come in. So the first step, they really should contact a local reputable lender to get pre-approved, to see what their options are, figure out what they might need for down payment, if they have any down payment assistance options, how much they can qualify for.
Now let's get out of the weeds and cut down to the chase. What credit score does someone need to get pre-approved for a mortgage?
So that can vary again. So there's, we can go down to as low as 540 on FHA, USDA, but just because you meet the minimum credit score requirement does not mean you will qualify. There are other factors that go into it, and somebody at that low of a credit score is going to have a lot going on in their credit report. It's going to really determine on, what kind of down payment they have, if they've had a lot of derogatories in the past, but the last 12 months has been really good. So, technically we can go down to 540 on a credit score on certain loan programs. Really, a mid 600 score usually gives you a lot of flexibility with different options. The higher the better.
Sean, thank you for your time today. It's always a pleasure being with you, always a pleasure working with you. If someone would like to contact you for lending, what's the best way to get hold of you?
The best way is my cell phone. My cell phone is my one phone line. I have an office line, but my cell phone is always on me. Nights, weekends, doesn't matter. 618-889-5266. Also have a website, guildmortgage.com/Sean Daly. You can go to that website, you can put in a lead, which will in turn have me call you, or you can actually go through and fill out the full application if you're ready to do that as well.